I take it this is on the house.
Yeah.
How much you got here?
762, man.
Here's my share. Thank you, pal. Alright, let's debrief. Alright, let's look at my lucky $50. You know what that means?
No.
Trojan.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. You gotta record me too. Alright. Now
Donuts.
let's recap. We got a little situation down at the parking garage. And now we're getting some donuts at the Krispy Kreme Donut Factory, which is always open to cops like us, which I love. How are ya? Enjoying your night